Florida airport to pick up Mike, better known as Autovlog, because his truck is finished. I'm sure he's super excited to get the truck back. We're excited to give it to him and let him drive it again. So let's get to it. Welcome to Florida.
Justin said you were gonna pick me up in my truck.
He told me to take the Focus.
All right.
I guess he changed his mind.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah. How you doing?
So, good, man. How are you?
Doing pretty good.
I'm excited, man.
Yeah.
Get my freaking truck back. Start her up.
First impressions, what do you think?
I don't know, man. It's just I'm so glad to have it back. I missed it. 3 months without driving this thing. 3 months. I'm happy. You guys cleaned it up too. I'm glad about that. It looks so good.
Yeah, I couldn't send you home in a dirty car.
Oh, I know. Probably get it dirty though in the first 100 miles.
Yeah, but you know, we figured we'd get it back to this place for good.
Yeah, I appreciate it, brother. Alright, so I'm here with Jesse, the shop manager. He's the one who's been breaking the truck in for me, and I know how the internet can be sometimes, and I actually told these guys, you need to be driving it around for like a week or something before I pick it up, because I wanted to make sure that everything was okay. It's basically a brand new engine, so it needed breaking in, so it's not like they've been joyriding around in my truck here, so no evil comments here, alright? Be like, yeah, truck's slow, because they're used to like, you know, 750 to the wheels or whatever it is.
We don't get too many trucks rolling through, so I will give it props. It's no snail.
Good. Now, and I've said this like a million times in videos. Like when I supercharged this truck, it wasn't to break, you know, 1320 records and stuff. It was just, you know, I wanted my truck to have more power and have fun with creating cool content and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm happy, man.
Yeah, when you're looking at quarter mile times, you're not looking at big heavy vehicles.
No. No, but like Justin's truck, I mean, he does low 11s, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, we're not going to do that in this truck because of, you know, just having the big 20x12s and 33-inch tires and just the rotational mass, you know. But still.
And we've had to go through and preemptively upgrade like the transmission. A bunch of stuff just to make sure we don't break it.
Yeah.
So there's trade-offs.
Yep. I love Florida and all your long, flat, straight roads. We don't get this back home in PA, man. Can't even get a full pull in. It's impossible.
And all we want is to turn.
Right. Like 3 months. What's up, man?
Yeah, just
You
getting
got the little one, huh?
I got our little girl.
Wow.
A lot of things have happened since you were here last.
I know.
You got a supercar.
Uh-huh.
My wife and I had a baby.
Uh-huh.
She actually had the baby, but you know.
You had some doing.
Yeah.
You don't even look like you had a baby.
She's pretty good at it.
Yeah.
So what do you think of the truck?
I love it.
Awesome.
It's so great to have it back. I missed it.
Yeah, you know, I mean, you can be the regular Ford guy cruising down the road, or you can be the Ferrari guy. So I want to make fun of you for that for a while. So
no, it's great. I'm so happy. The truck looks great.
You know, and this is the opportunity when you have, like, Mike's truck shouldn't have had an issue, but it did. Cat failure, something we couldn't control.
Right.
And of course, we've all got to have catalytic converters legally to operate a vehicle on the road with a license plate.
Mm-hmm.
Per federal law, you may say that your state law is different, but we still all live in the United States of America. And so gave us an opportunity to upgrade to forged pistons and forged rods. the stuff that you would want in a boosted motor, and end up with a great end result.
Yeah.
Mike is here to pick up his truck.
Yep.
You got to test drive it. What do you think?
I love it, man. It runs great, just like new.
That's awesome to hear. That's what we
man.
want.
So happy.
Mike
So
is going to be back on the road to Pennsylvania. His engine rebuild came out great. All the time and effort we put into this thing, you know, from cutting apart the oil filter and doing the initial oil change, double, triple checking everything, has paid off. You've got a great running vehicle.
Yep.
Now completely built for boost. If there's ever any questions about it, it's got forged pistons, forged rods. It's good to go.
Yeah, maybe I'll come down maybe in a year or something. We'll do the whole 1,000 horsepower thing. But at this time, I'm happy with what we have right now.
Thanks for following along with the build of Mike's truck. To see more videos like this, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the VMP Performance YouTube channel, and check out Autovlog's channel as well. See you next time.
See ya. There's that wine. There it is. Oh, traction.